Okay, thank you very much, former Governor Jeffrey. Okay, good afternoon again, everyone. Okay, it is my great privilege to recognize once again the SPLE Passos 2024. And I will never get tired of recognizing these peoples in recognition their hard works and dedications towards their professional. It is a precious and good effort from them, sacrificing many things, including focus and review, and of course, facing hard times just to get their license. But prior to this recognition, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to recognize the graduates of ETIAP. I think the only one present today, I think no one will be here, but we have the message from Engineer Edmond Queiroz. Please.
Edmond Queiroz po, dito sa Zamboanga City. Today I will begin from my journey to electronics engineering education under ETIAP. In early 80s, the government introduced 3 universities with new curriculum to improve the technology education in the Philippines. Namely, AMP Manila, the Lake in Luzon area, AMP Visayas in the Visayas area, and MSU IIT in Ligan City in Mindanao area. I graduated a 3-year electronics technology course in 10 batch in Visayas. Right after graduation, my experience working locally in radio communications, operation and maintenance, as well as navigational operators. I applied abroad and was hired to National Grid Saudi Arabia Telecom Department Operation and Maintenance Division. In 2009, I am very thankful through the help of ISEC, ASA, ERC. We were the last batch to acquire ACT license without ERC examination. And here in ISEC, ASA, ERC, I was able to hear news about the ETIAP program. I immediately communicated with the University of San Jose Recoletos ETIAP office in Cebu, complied with the requirements, and scheduled for examination and interview during my vacation in the Philippines. After they evaluated my educational attainment, training certificates, and work experiences, they provided me with a customized module to complete the bachelor's degree in electronics engineering curriculum. Most of my modules, examination, I complied online during my project study defense. Due to my workload in the company, I finished my electronics engineering undergraduate program in 2 years. I was not able to attend our graduation, but during one of my vacations in the Philippines, I was able to process my transcript of records and diploma that is needed for the licensure examination. I attended the ERC board examination review and passed the board examination in October 2014. Thanks, God, and one praise also to all our mentors in ISEC ERC review. To all interested in ETIAP program, try to communicate with the school ETIAP office early so that they can guide you about the requirements and how to enroll in the program. Thank you, and best regards to all my brothers in profession.
Okay, thank you very much. Engineer Edmond Tejas, one of our team in 2014. Okay, and now let us moving forward. Let's proceed to the electronics technician, SPLE exam passers. We have Mr. Richard Naga, ECT. Please come forward. Okay, so we have Engineer Jimel Magtubo. Please come forward. I will save your message para mamaya parehas na lang, isahan na lang sa isip. Vice Sergeant, mga office. Okay, we have next, Engineer Ding Amor Costales from Alma Computer College, Philippines. Medyo nagkamali dito sa oras, kaya medyo pinapasok natin.
Okay, fast break tayo. Alright. Camera head sa past 2. Alright.
Thank you very much. And we have again Engineer Jimel Magtubo. Engineer from TU. Thank you. And lastly, we have Engineer Anthony Velasco from University of Ismail. With her. Madam, please come forward and join your. Okay, may I call again everyone, all the SPLE passers, ECT and ECE. Group muna yung lahat ng passers natin, and then of course, last si Go Reggie, ano ba si Go Reggie? Please. Okay, 1 minute message for everyone. Huh? Short message for everyone. Short lang. Starting with the Engineer Kelvin.
Ayun, una-una po, thank you ulit sa ISEF, KSA, ERC sa support, sa review. From the time na nag-take ako ng ECT 2019 and passed, and until this year that I passed the ECE licensure examination. So, lahat po ng mga nag-support, nag-mentor, nag-motivate sa akin, lahat ng mga naging kapasok sa review, lahat ng mga nakatulong ko sa journey ko, thank you very much po sa inyo lahat. And payo ko lang po sa mga upcoming examinees, tuloy nyo lang po yung inyong dream and always persevere, pray, and huwag kayong susuko. Kung hindi man kayo pinalad, exam, tuloy nyo na po ang laban. So, walang susuko. Walang nananalo na sumusuko at walang sumusuko na nananalo. Ano ba?
Okay, good afternoon po. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa ISEP KSA ERC family sa kanilang suporta na mula sa review hanggang sa pagpasa. Muli, maraming salamat.
Okay, good evening ulit, no? So, isa lang masasabi ko, no, sa mga future engineers, huwag nating panghinaan ng loob. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Balansehin natin ang trabaho, ang pag-aaral kung gusto natin makamit talaga yung ating dream. Napakasarap ng pakiramdam na makuha natin ang lisensya natin.
Good evening again, my brothers and sisters, our vision. Yun lang, magpapasalamat po ako sa ISEP ERC, sa motivation ni Sir Joey, sa reviewer ni Brad Jonas especially. I-dedicate lang at may goal ka na pag pumasa, papasa ka talaga. Yun lang, salamat. Okay, I'm requesting everyone na nakapasa ng SPLE to come forward, please. All SPLE passers since 2009, sorry.
2007 ba? Kasama ko dyan.
Product of SPLE. Wala pa rin si Cobreke, no? Wala pa rin.
iPhone 16 Pro Max fully paid.
Ilang GB?
Nakalimutan yung GB, 1 GB.
Okay, thank you very much. So, just for...
Nga pala, dun sa mga kung may reviewers na nandito umattend, dala ko yung mga viewers ko, lapitan nyo lang ako. I'm willing to donate yung mga ginamit ko, mga viewers. Ano po?
Okay, Greg Reggie, fellow members, I am proud to tell you the total numbers of passers since 2008. Okay? 2008, we have one ECT. Wala nyo kung sino? Up to the current year, which is 2024. So, we have a total of 49 ECE. So, this is a product of ISEP KSA ERC. And we have a 71 ECT. Okay, so, very thankful tayo sa ISEP KSA ERC. Next slide. So again, congratulations to everyone. Always remember that ISEP KSA ERC will always here to guide and fulfill your dreams to have your professional ERC license. So again, thank you very much and have a good day.